We're at the Russian nightclub again. So this is my first time looking at the charts in a few days, like really in depth. Bitcoin, it came back to life. Look at that, we touched the spider line. And it just revived. Would you look at that? So we are touching a vector demand zone, or whatever the fuck that's called. I don't know if that's gonna react, but we have moved up significantly. The 2-day is beautiful. Wow. Beautiful buy on the 2-day. I don't know when I did this video last. I think it was sometime last week. So I have no idea if this was showing or if it was about to or what. But daily looking good. I mean, it's coming up in, you know, resistance area with supply demand. If we can get one of them to pop. There's one there and it blew right through it. No, I mean, it touched it, went down, popped it, but okay. 4 hour looking good. You know, I mean, I wouldn't doubt if we get a pullback. This 8 hour is wild. Definitely going up. 12 hour though, I don't like how there's a little green dot. You know, that every time we get those, we get some bullshit. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see. I mean, it's already popped the yellow, I mean the blue triangle too. It's generally when it kind of falls off of momentum. Moving over to the weekly. Oh, that's a beautiful wick. On the weekly. Checking the 5-day, not much. 3-day, whew. You know, the last 3-day that we had was here. That was down in this level. Actually, that was... I don't know, these are big candles. These look like this shit. Like one of them FOMO zones. And probably see resistance up here if we blast back. I mean, that's fantastic. You know, wasn't expecting it, to be honest. I was expecting a little bit lower, somewhere in this range. But that's always the case. And you got to deal with the cards that are dealt. And the cards that are dealt is it went up. So, we just have to see. On Bitcoin, at a mark. Shit is ripping. It is ripping really hard. Wow. Okay. Let's move over to, what was one of the other ones that we were looking at? Calm. Shit in the bed. All the coins that were doing really good have shit the bed. Strange. Anyways, doesn't really matter because I'm playing it long term and I know those coins will recover. Or one of my positions will. Not worried about it. So I want to talk to you guys about something. Let's check Jesus coin. Ugh. I want to talk to you about something. I started a crypto project. And I know I said this in the last video, but I don't think anyone watched it. Gotta get to the point soon. It is called Alphascribe. And the goal of Alphascribe, and I know the site is basic right now, but the goal of Alphascribe, you can read it at alphascribe.io, is to create an anti-phishing browser add-on that will intercept transactions before they are placed and before they are sent to a known phishing address or an address that is associated with the phishing address, or if the AI thinks that this sounds like a scam. Like, if the website is trying to do something that the text on the website says it's not going to do. That sort of thing. I don't want to reveal all of it, but I am working with people that are really good with AI, and we got some really good things coming down the line. And as this thing picks up on Twitter, which we might see once people start to realize what this is, it's probably going to do pretty good. So I mean, I would go down here and you can check these out. The coin is still actually really cheap. 13 million market cap. You can get 10,000 of them for 13 bucks. Like, come on, dude. That's insane. Solana. We're also trading it on Solana. Solana doesn't have much volume. You can see it's very small, but we are up. They did go up earlier. We got rid of the bots. 21,000 market cap. No arbitrage, unfortunately. However, we are on the Alphascribe network, LTC20. We're like the 15th down. Right here, 1337. 18,000 market cap on LTC20. And then on ordinals, ordinals.fun. Really hoping that didn't come up with something bad. All right. Ordinals.fun. We are actually number 2. Pretty cool, right? And the prices are very cheap here. So yeah, getting somewhere. This is going to be fun. This is a very, very interesting project. It will be something. It depends if you want to miss out or not. So share it. If you guys could share it, if you're not even going to invest in it, just share it somewhere. Legit projects. You guys know that comes back to me. It's a legit project. Not going to rug for a carton of cigarettes or something. No reason. Anyways, if you're interested in that, hop in it. Or get in the chat, yell at people, things like that. I just want to get the chat going. And Bitcoin's looking good. Nice kept structure. Kind of look at it and you kind of see that it sort of stayed together. Even though it dumped hard, but it wasn't like a down to here dump, you know? We're always expecting, every time the market moves, you always expect it to kind of do something like, you know, like that. So let's see how it reacts here. I don't remember what the news was that made it come up, but I think it was Google supporting ads for it, which I don't recall them ever not doing that. I remember back in 2017 or something that they did that, like they had ads for it. So I don't know. Like I ran ads for my crypto project in 2017 on Google. So I don't understand what. Anyways, the news sort of just like recycles. It doesn't even change. It's like the things with the ETF and the Bitcoin futures. It's so confusing because it's already cycled this. You know, like we already had ETF news, like sure, yeah, spot. But there was already futures that acted just like spot. So it's not like they were leveraged. There's leveraged ones, but it was not like the GBTC or any of the other ones that anyone could have bought into. Anyways, I guess because the physical Bitcoin is bought and then it's paper traded, it's whatever. Anyways, they're gonna make up things. Retail doesn't move the market in any way. And that's something that everyone needs to understand, that you don't move the market. You just got to see where the bulls are going, where the bears are going, where the market maker is moving things. And you got to know what their next move is, not what retail is going to do. They're going to do the opposite of retail because the goal is to steal the money from retail. Hope that helps. I'll catch you guys in the next video. But check it out, alphascribe.io. Look for a good course, psychotrading.org. If you guys could share the alphascribe.io on Twitter, be really cool. All right, I appreciate you guys.